Today, we will explore a profound shift happening in our world, a transformation that touches on the evolution of consciousness, hidden truths in history, and the forces shaping our future. This journey will take us through spiritual awakening, the collapse of old systems, and the revelation of new, empowering truths about ourselves and the universe. We'll uncover how humanity is upgrading its frequency, transcending fear and anger, and moving into a higher state of awareness, one where compassion, love, and unity reign. These concepts connect science, spirituality, and history, offering a fresh perspective on our purpose and the nature of reality itself. The upgrade in frequency. Let's start with this idea of frequency. What does it mean that we are getting an upgrade? Frequency, in the context of consciousness and spirituality, refers to the energy vibrations that flow through us, dictating our emotions, thoughts, and how we perceive the world. For much of history, humanity has been asleep, stuck in low-frequency states dominated by fear, anger, hate, and despair. These low-frequency emotions have not only affected individuals, but have shaped entire societies, locking us into systems of control and limitation. However, we are now in the midst of a great awakening. As we become more aware of our inner states and begin to elevate our frequency, we transcend these lower emotions and open up to higher states of joy, empathy, compassion, and unity. This shift is not just personal, it is collective. As we individually awaken to higher frequencies, the entire fabric of humanity is uplifted, and this shift in energy causes old, outdated systems to crumble. We see this in the decline of centralized governments and power structures that once held control over societies. The upgrade in frequency signifies that we are moving from a mindset of separation to one of unity. We are beginning to see ourselves not as isolated individuals, but as interconnected beings, part of a vast and harmonious whole. The monetary system, based on scarcity and competition, is slowly giving way to new ideas about wealth, value, and resource distribution. This redistribution of wealth is not just about money, it's about resources, opportunities, and knowledge being more accessible to all, not hoarded by a select few. In this higher frequency, we begin to live in alignment with values of fairness, kindness, and collaboration, spiritual rebirth, and the end of royal bloodlines. As part of this awakening, we are also witnessing the collapse of hierarchies that have long ruled over humanity. The end of royal bloodlines symbolizes the demise of systems that were built on power, control, and privilege. Throughout history, these bloodlines maintained their grip on society through inherited power, wealth, and influence. But as humanity awakens, we realize that true power does not come from titles or bloodlines. It comes from within. This is where the concept of Christ consciousness comes into play. This term doesn't refer strictly to religious Christianity, but to the awakening of divine consciousness within all of us. It's about embodying the qualities that Jesus and other spiritual teachers spoke of: love, compassion, forgiveness, and oneness with the universe. This consciousness is budding from within every individual as we reconnect with our spiritual essence. This is the true rebirth spoken of in John 3:3, where we are born again, not physically, but spiritually. In many spiritual traditions, this rebirth is linked to the activation of Kundalini energy, the dormant spiritual force that resides at the base of the spine. When this energy rises, it brings about enlightenment, replacing the old paradigms of sin, guilt, and ignorance with awareness, truth, and love. As we embrace this higher state, we reconnect with Mother Earth, recognizing her as a living, conscious being with whom we are intimately connected. This rebirth is not just about individual transformation, it's about humanity's collective ascension and our return to a state of harmony with nature and the cosmos, manipulation of knowledge and the veil of truth. But this journey to awakening has not been an easy one. For centuries, knowledge has been manipulated and controlled by those in power to keep humanity in a state of ignorance and submission. Religious texts such as the Torah, Bible, and Kabbalah contain deep truths about the nature of reality, but these truths have been hidden, distorted, or rewritten by those with ulterior motives. Allegories, written by men with hidden agendas, obscure the deeper meanings behind these ancient teachings. Much of history has been erased or rewritten to keep us disconnected from our true potential. Consider places like the Vatican, the Library of Alexandria, and the Smithsonian, institutions that house vast amounts of knowledge, much of which has been hidden from public view. The deep state, a shadowy network of power that operates behind the scenes, has played a significant role in keeping the masses unaware of their true power and potential. By controlling the narrative, they have maintained their grip on humanity. However, the veil is now being lifted. As more people awaken, we begin to see through the lies and manipulation. Hidden knowledge is coming to the surface, and we are reconnecting with the ancient wisdom that was once lost. This is a pivotal moment in human history, where the truth about our origins, our potential, and the nature of reality is being revealed. One of the most profound truths being uncovered is the role of consciousness in shaping our world. The quantum field and consciousness as science. As modern science reaches the limits of its understanding, a new paradigm is emerging, one that integrates spirituality and consciousness with science. The quantum field, a concept from quantum physics, shows us that the universe is not just made up of physical matter, but of interconnected energy and information. This field connects everything in the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. It's within this quantum field that we find the key to understanding the true nature of reality. Spirit as science is becoming the new uptrend. No longer are these two fields seen as separate. Instead, they are merging to provide a more holistic understanding of the universe. Practices like meditation, energy healing, and consciousness exploration are now being validated by quantum physics. The double-slit experiment, for example, demonstrates that consciousness can influence the outcome of physical events. Our thoughts and intentions shape the world around us, revealing the true power of the mind. This isn't new information. The CIA knew about the role of consciousness in shaping reality as far back as 1983, but they kept it hidden. They knew that beyond our physical senses lies a universe of frequencies, vibrations that govern everything, including our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Every thought, sound, and human emotion is a frequency, flowing like waves in an ocean. To reach our highest selves, we must quiet the external noise and tune into this deeper, more subtle field of energy. Education, health, and control systems, the systems we've been raised in, particularly education and healthcare, have been designed to keep us unaware of these deeper truths. Take education, for example. Figures like Rockefeller, who had immense power and wealth, shaped modern education not to create thinkers, but to produce workers. The goal was to create a workforce that would support industrial capitalism, not challenge the status quo. This is why much of our education system focuses on rote learning and conformity rather than critical thinking and creativity. In the realm of healthcare, the manipulation runs even deeper. Petrochemicals, introduced by Rockefeller's influence, replace natural medicines. Modern medicine became a system where doctors were encouraged to treat symptoms with pharmaceutical drugs, not address the root cause of illness. Most doctors don't even realize that they've become dealers for the pharmaceutical industry, perpetuating a cycle of dependency on medications that don't truly heal. Pharmaceutical companies profit from this system, and advertising encourages people to rely on drugs rather than seek holistic solutions. This keeps people sick and in the system, paying for treatments that don't cure but only manage symptoms. To break free, we must challenge these systems and embrace a more holistic, conscious approach to health and well-being, transcendence, and cosmic consciousness. Despite these challenges, we are not bound by these systems. We have the power to transcend them. From the depths of our being, a symphony sings, a symphony of harmony, balance, and connection with the universe. Our souls are evolving, and this evolution is not just happening on a personal level, but on a cosmic scale. We are part of a much larger, grander story. As galactic travelers, we are beings of light, moving through time and space. Ancient wisdom, long hidden, is now whispering to us once again, awakening our souls and guiding us on our journey. From Sirius to the Pleiades, starseeds, those who carry the wisdom of the stars, are uniting to help humanity through this period of transformation. This wisdom is encoded in our very DNA. We are beginning to remember our purpose, the path we have walked, and the role we are here to play in the unfolding cosmic drama. As dimensions merge and realities blend, we are coming to understand that the universe is a vast web of interconnected energy. Every path we walk, every choice we make, is part of this intricate cosmic tapestry, eternal beings forevermore. As we ascend toward the cosmic shore, we come to realize that we are eternal beings, infinite in our nature. This journey of awakening is just the beginning. We are evolving souls, forever expanding our consciousness, forever growing, forever exploring new realms of existence. This transformation is not only personal, but collective, and we are all in this together. We have the power to create a new reality, one based on love, compassion, and unity. By awakening to these truths and transcending the limitations imposed on us by old systems, we unlock our full potential. The universe is waiting for us to step into our true power, to recognize that we are not separate from it, but part of its very fabric. Thank you for joining me on this journey of awakening. The future is bright, and together we will continue to ascend to new heights of consciousness forevermore. If you found this discussion on consciousness, awakening, and the evolution of humanity thought-provoking, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps spread the message. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more eye-opening content like this. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you know someone who might resonate with these ideas, go ahead and share this video with them. Together, we can help awaken more minds and spark meaningful conversations. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.